Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to cast a love spell using your partner's name only. Yes friends, you heard it right. We are going to cast a powerful spell using just your target person's name. We need a white color paper, a black marker and a candle to burn the excessive energy which is not allowing you people to get interacted with each other. And once we have done this, immediately your partner or your target person, he or she has to come to you, he or she has to confess his or her feelings to you. You should not worry even a 1%. My job is 100% guaranteed job of this spell. We have tested this spell 1000 times. Remember, my dear brothers and sisters, we have tested this spell 1000 times, and out of 1000 times, not even a single chance, not even a one time, this spell has got failed. So this is the most powerful, potent, effective spell which is going to produce the guaranteed results, and you will never ever gonna face any other issues in the future as well with your partner. So we, just to save your time, I have already put the instructions on white paper. Let me put it next here. First of all, you will get a piece of white paper. Right, you will make 4 circles which I have already drawn because we wanted to make this video a short and crisp. So you will be putting 4 circles, 1 2 3 4 with the black marker. My dear brothers and sisters, don't forget to use black color marker. If you are going to use any other color marker, it unfortunately it will not work. Second thing, for example, if your target person's first name is 5 alphabet, then you are going to make 5 triangles like this. In my case, in which I am doing right now, target's first name is of 4 digits. For example, it is Som. Soam, Som. It's an Indian name. So I have put one triangle like this for S, then the inverted triangle, third triangle straight upward, and the fourth one inverted, that is downward. It is pointing towards down. Now once the 4 triangles you have drawn, you are going to write down the surname. Here comes the trick. Between first name and the surname there is always a space, and in spells the space is signified by this square. So if you have 6 alphabets on your target's person name, you will make 6 triangles, 3 upward, 3 downward, alternate wise. Then you will put a square. For the surname, again you will draw the triangle again in this way. So I have used Som S. My target person's name is Som, surname is S. He uses S only, his surname. If the surname had been a long like Samuel or Jackson, then probably you would have been needing more triangles. Now once you have done it, as my case was Som, so I will write down S here. Then O. First I will draw the triangles, then I will put the names, and on the surname I am going to make a symbol like this. I hope everyone is able to see the symbol. Let me zoom it out for you. Here it is. This symbol is required. Then again S. Once you have done it, you are going to chant this word: bul, 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 bul. For example, in my case, the names, the alphabets, total alphabets were 5, and including space it became 6. So I'm going to write down 6 bul. 6 bul, right? Dash won't be coming here. Bul, bul, bul would be coming. After this, you are going to chant this bul, 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 bul in the multiple of 34. What does this mean? I wrote 6 bul, so I have to chant this bul, 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 bul 34 into 6. Right? So you need to do all these things. And once we have chanted this bul, bul, bul 204 times, you are going to light up this candle. I'm not going to light up here in this studio right now. It's just for your demonstration. You will light up this candle. Only white candle color is required. White color candle is required. And you will burn this piece of paper in this candle like this. Starting from here, it will eventually burn up. And while burning this, you need to think that whatever negative energies were there, please vanish all the energies. My partner should come to me, and in the flame of this candle, dear brothers and sisters, must make sure that in the flames of this candle, you have to imagine the face. You have to imagine your partner. You have to see, you have to try that you can see the face of your partner. And if you have been able to see the face of your partner, immediately as soon as the paper has got burnt out completely, your partner is going to call you. Your partner is going to confess all the bad, negative, positive, whatever feelings he or she had for you. She is going to confess, he is going to confess, and believe me, whatever issues were there, all the issues would get resolved immediately, and you will never ever gonna face any other problem in your future life. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, you can call us on the number which is there on your screen. You can call us, you can drop a WhatsApp as well. We would love to answer all your queries. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.